There is a long-standing relation between Electric Ireland and the Marketing Development Practice, and we have organised the business breakfast for many years. This year marks the 20th anniversary of the event, so we're really excited to get the opportunity to execute and organise the event from start to finish. We came up with a theme for the event, so each year the business breakfast will have a different theme, and this year we decided upon the theme how circular economy can help you tackle global challenges, and this was really topical and in keeping with Electric Ireland's sustainable values. We then had to organise a panel of speakers to discuss the circular economy on the day, and this provided attendees with an engaging and informative discussion. We then had to choose a location for the event, so we viewed a number of different locations across Dublin, and we eventually decided upon the Marker as they met most of our requirements. To sum up my experience in 3 words, I would say it was challenging yet very rewarding and exciting because I'd never organised an event before this.